There are those in this world who are not afraid to start from a blank slate and be bold in their intentions. They take us to places that seem out of reach, put a smile on our face for making our lives just a little bit easier, and show us the beauty in the everyday. They help us uncover possibilities from surprising new perspectives, amaze us with their boundless capacity to reimagine, inspire us to live every moment with purpose, and make us feel at home wherever we are. They were born to be this way. Born to be the A220.